In this video, we're going to be doing an exercise great for beginners. The left hand is going to have triads on the white keys, classic pentascale hand position, one finger per key, but we're going to use the bottom note, the middle note, and the top note. And you do need to use this fingering. It's not this. This is never good, ever, as a pianist. This is not required because we don't need anything lower. And we don't need to do this because, again, we don't need anything lower. We're not going to do this. We don't need anything higher. 1, 3, 5, get used to that position. The left hand is going to be moving up by successive white keys in all those positions, 8 times up. Repeat that one 8 times down. You'll see in just a moment. The right hand is going to be doing open fifths. Does not use the middle tone. In fact, doesn't use these 3 fingers at all. Just the outer 2 of those hand positions. Okay, still all on the white keys. The hands are paralleling each other. They both have C and G on the outside. The left hand, though, has that middle tone to create the triad. Now, the right hand is not going to be block. It's going to be broken. That's what's different about this exercise. The left hand stays block, but the right hand is broken. It's going to sound like this. Then we move to D, to E, to F, G, A, B, C. Once we get to the octave above where we started, we're going to reverse direction with our right hand. We're going to do the top note and the bottom note, top, bottom. So we're back to where we started. So I'm going to demonstrate the whole exercise. Pretty clear. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's a great exercise for beginners. Have fun with that.